Prabhuji, namaste. My name
Namaste.
is Bhavesh Mehta, and I'm connected to through IGBC or Juhu through
Oh,
Gurmeet
okay.
Singh.
Oh,
We did
yes,
a lot
yes,
of
yes,
work with
correct.
you, hard work with
Yes,
you.
correct.
My question is, what was the turning point in your life, being a successful IITian, converted into the present what you have? So I think many of us would like to understand, would like to know that. What is the turning point in your life
Yeah.
from IIT to this?
Well, everybody has, you know, a calling which they have. So I've always intrigued about what is life and what is death and what is the purpose of life. And the search was going on. And then I came across the Gita, and then I really thought the Gita can be an excellent solution to people's problems. Just like in engineering college, there are professors, they are also engineers, but they have preferred to teach engineering than to practice engineering and technology. Like that, the Gita was spoken by Krishna to Arjuna, who was a Kshatriya, a warrior, a husband, a father, a man of this world, to show that you can be perfectly situated in society to practice the Gita. And therefore, Krishna tells Arjuna that you become the instrument to spread the message of the Gita, because everybody is facing battles in life every day. So when Swami Prabhupada reached London, one of the reporters asked him, Swamiji, what brings you to London? Why you have come to London? And Srila Prabhupada replied, the British spent so many years looting so many things from India, gold, emerald, rubies, and so many other artifacts, but they forgot to steal one thing, that is message of Gita. I have come to give that. So therefore, from that point onwards, in the last 50 years, the devotees in ISKCON have been fortunate enough to distribute more than 50 crore Bhagavad Gitas all over the world. So therefore, it was this calling to study and teach the Gita which inspired me in this direction. Okay?